A few people have asked recently, how do you change the cover for the fuel flap? Your flap might be broken, you know, broken hinge just like mine has here, and you might be able to source a new part from online or somewhere like that, but it's the wrong colour. So how do you do that? How do you swap out this front cover for, I don't know, let's say for example I bought a white one off of an online auction house and I wanted to swap it over for this one. So when you open it up, just look inside, and what you'll find here is this small tab. All you need to then do is just get a flat-headed screwdriver or something, insert that, and what that does is just lever this tab forward, just bring it slightly forward, and then you can slide the whole assembly this way. Simple as that. What you can then do is get rid of the old one, bring the new one in that you've taken off of your car, and then just re-slide it back on. So just go straight onto the sliders, just line it up, slide it back in towards the car, and that's it, done, fitted. So that's it, a real short, quick one for today. If you found that useful, give us a like down below. If you haven't done so already, remember to hit subscribe coming up here now. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. See you in the next one.